Now, one thing that I like and that's interesting about your practice is, like you mentioned earlier, you brought in successful chief financial officers from different industries. Whereas some people may say, hey, if you're going to deal with a CFO, outsource or fractional, deal with somebody that focuses on your industry. Whereas you brought in this kaleidoscope of people to where you able to help people in different industries. Was that intentional?
It was. I wanted to spread it out. I have retail, manufacturing, services, all kinds of CFOs. So when I do meet a potential client, we talk about their needs and what's happening. I will select the CFO that is the best fit for her. And so they'll know that when dealing with me, they're going to get the best person that we have. It goes to a next step beyond that. There's different experience my CFOs have and different skill sets. Some are more tech savvy, some are more Excel and modeling savvy, some are more strategy savvy, some are more pick it. Mm-hmm. So it's actually, if they need support in some other area, even if I pick the CFO that's the best fit, they can rely on anyone else on the team from time to time for things they need to really level up that client. That's why it's called a collective. We're a group. This is not a body shop, right? Where I just collect and hand out clients. This is a collective. It's by design and on purpose. As you say, it's with intent, right? So.
Because I know based off of conversations that we had that you meet with your CFOs individually at least once a week, and you bring everybody together as a group at least quarterly.
Yeah.
And what I like about them being in different industries is, just like you said, you can look up the industry standards and generalizations.